Good afternoon, boys and girls. So what I have for you today is this truck coloring activity sheet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna color it, we're gonna punch it out, and then we're gonna fold it into a little like truck. So what you're gonna need for this is colors, crayons, any of the sort. I also have map colors here. That's what I'm gonna use, and I've chosen the colors I'm gonna use, so we don't need any of those. Those can all go away. Bye, map colors. All right, so I'm actually gonna be going for like an Optimus Prime theme on this one. So we're gonna start with this gray. So this gray is gonna be for the tires, the bumper, the gas tank, and the majority of the truck, the back gate. And then the cab's gonna be red, lights are gonna be yellow, blue. These two blues are probably gonna be like windows, and I'm gonna be using this blue with this gray for like detailing and stuff, and then this blue is going to be the Optimus Prime blue. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fast forward through all of this, starting, actually, you know what? Let me get a zoom. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward through this starting now. All right, boys and girls, so there is my truck. I'm only gonna color one side of it, just so you don't have to sit here through a super long video. But, so after you color your whole truck, you're just going to punch it out like so, and then you are going to fold along the creases that are already on there. So this one folds down, this side folds this way, the back folds towards the back, and then there's these little notches right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna loop the back part through that notch and the front part through that notch. And then you're gonna do this for both sides, obviously. So we'll do it on that side, and then we'll do it on the back side. And there we go. And there is our truck. So mine was sort of Optimus Prime themed, but I hope you enjoyed this, boys and girls, and I hope to see some amazing trucks. Everybody have a good one. Bye, boys and girls.